Do you know that language has a way of warming your way into hearts? Welcome back to Speak Igbo. Visiting your Igbo in-laws and scared of what to say? One greeting can make or break that first impression. In this video on Speak Igbo today, I will be showing you exactly what to say, how to say it politely, confidently, and with cultural respect. Let's begin. Before we start, there are a few points you need to note. One, you have to greet the elders first. Even though you have your friends or pals within the midst, sometimes when you know people, you might just lean towards greeting them first, even while the elders are there. No way, not in Igbo land. You have to greet them. The next thing to note, you have to smile, maintain eye contact. That shows a sign of respect. Now, let's get on to the first thing to say once you see your in-laws. Let's say the mother and the father is there. That's your mother-in-law and your father-in-law. You say, Ndewo, mama na papa. That is, hello, mama and papa. Repeat after me. Ndewo, mama na papa. Then, if there is a group of people there as well, elders or any group at all, you say Ndewonu. That simply means greetings everyone or hello everyone. Ndewonu. If possible, with a slight bow. Ndewonu. Ndewonu. With a smile. Now you introduce yourself. That's the next thing. Aha m bụ Michael. My name is Michael. Aha m bụ Michael. Abụ m di Jane. Abụ m di Jane. I am Jane's husband. Aha m bụ Michael. Abụ m di Jane. My name is Michael. I am Jane's husband. The next thing to say is where you're from. Esi m Lagos. Esi m America. Don't bother about the details. Now I'm going to do the male version and the female version. Ndewo, mama na papa. Aha m bụ Michael. Abụ m di Jane. Esi m Lagos. Biko nabata m. Biko nabata m. Please accept me. So all these things I say is for the male version and it simply means hello, mama and papa. My name is Michael. I am Jane's husband. I am from Lagos. Please accept me. Do you know that this simple thing you spoke in Igbo, in fact, language has a way of warming your way into hearts. You will see them grinning from ear to ear because they already know you made an effort to speak this language. They know it's not your language. But for you to make this effort to speak this language, it gives them the impression that you will make efforts. You will be very good to the family for you to make such efforts. So it's a done deal. Now let's do the female version. Ndewo mama na papa. Then ndewo no. That's hello mama and papa. Hello everyone. Aha m bụ Jane. Abụ m nwunye Michael. My name is Jane. Abụ m nwunye Michael. I am Michael's wife. Esi m Lagos or esi m America. I am from Lagos or I am from America. Calmly, repeat after me. Ndewo mama na papa. Aha m bụ Jane. Abụ m nwunye Michael. Esi m America. Biko nabata. Well done. You have successfully learned how to introduce yourself to your in-laws and even make them accept you. Language ticks hidden boxes. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share this video to our potential in-laws. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.